Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the April 2026 bargain bead box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like the theme this time is making waves. We're dreaming of the sea with this beachy palette. Amazonite beads in a variety of shapes and sizes, combined with chunky fossil coral, green angelite pebbles, a fun glass bead mix, and sparkling crystal accents. High-quality findings in stainless steel and brass complete the collection, including wavy motifs and a fancy fold-over clasp. And under here's the 30% off coupon you get if you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box. You get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store Bead Box Bargains. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. And then on the back here is everything that's in the box. It's a really great value. It says estimated retail value for this shipment is $102.81. So you get just a really great value with this box. So I'll dump it out here and take a little peek, and then I'll sort everything out. There's that bead mix they talked about, I think. Just all kinds of pretty colors and shapes in there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. First, I have a 35mm flower Amazonite gently faceted teardrop pendant. That is so pretty. Those little facets. It's really pretty. And then next I have a 25 by 13mm flower Amazonite faceted teardrop pendant. Now this one's a little bit smaller. It's really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8mm Amazonite matte round beads. Really pretty, really good quality. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 4mm Amazonite rondelle beads. They're really pretty little tiny rondelle beads. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of fossil coral tumbled nugget beads. They're really pretty, kind of an earthier color. Really pretty. And then next is I think I got some things mixed up here. Here we go. 7 to 8mm flower, 7-inch strand of 7 to 8mm flower Amazonite English cut round beads. These are really pretty. Go really well with all these other beads. Got the Amazonite color and then some of the earthier colors in there. Really pretty. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 6mm flower Amazonite matte round beads. Big long strand. really, really pretty. And then next is a 14-inch strand of green angelite tumbled pebble beads. Really pretty. Different shapes and sizes. And then next is the glass bead mix in Sandy Seashore, it says. That's a really, really pretty mix. All kinds of pretty shiny beads in there. Just glistening. I guess like sand on the beach. Sandy Seashore. Oh, there's a little fish. A little fish there. There's a star. Those are really cute. They'll be fun to play with. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 4x3mm crystal rondelle beads in matte coral pink AB. They're really pretty. And then next is a 12-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted round beads in seafoam shimmer. Those are really pretty. Look how they sparkle. This is probably my favorite strand in the whole box because I love the sparkly beads. Those are so pretty. And then next are 2 pieces, 60 by 18mm stainless steel wavy pendants. These are really, really neat. Really unusual, different. I was looking to see if they have any holes down here, but they don't. Because I was thinking if they did, you know, you could hang some beads off the bottom or something, but they're just really, really pretty. And then next is a 1-piece, it doesn't say the size, wavy brass pinch bell. That's really neat. There's the pinch bell. You put your bead in there and pinch it together. That's just really cool. I would try it on one of those pendants, but I'm afraid I'll mess it up here. Let me try this little one. There we go. There's that. How it would look on there. It's probably better with a round bead instead of that teardrop pendant. It's really cool. Never seen a pinch bell like that before. And then next are 20 pieces, 7 by 3mm Baroque textured nugget spacer beads in antique silver. These are really pretty. They're really, really pretty. And then next are 50 pieces, 5.5mm stainless steel bead caps. I can get one up here to stop dropping it. There we go. That's what the inside looks like. That's the outside. They're really nice. And then next are 2 pieces, 17 by 18mm stainless steel wavy round pendants. They're calling these pendants, but I believe they're going to have to be earrings. It's got a little hole up there at the top. Same on both sides. They're really cool. And then next are 10 pieces, 22mm textured ring links. These are really cool. I believe I see a lariat in my future. Well, those are really, really nice. And then next is a platinum plated brass textured fold over clasp. I had already opened it, so that's I am not doing a very good job. That's what it looks like apart. And then you put it in there and close it up. It's really cool. And then last is a meter of 4x2mm stainless steel dapped oval jewelry chain. This is just really, really pretty. You would have to have a pretty thin jump ring to go through those links. But it's just really, really pretty chain. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the April 2026 bargain bead box called Making Waves. All kinds of beautiful beads and findings. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.